Welcome to the wonderful world of birds. Today, we're diving into the life of a small yet fascinating bird found in the forests of Europe and Asia, the Eurasian nuthatch. This tiny bird is known for its remarkable agility. Unlike most birds, the Eurasian nuthatch can climb down trees head first, making it a true acrobat of the avian world. With a sharp beak and keen eyes, the nuthatch hunts for insects hidden beneath the bark. Its diet primarily consists of insects, seeds, and nuts, making it an essential player in the forest ecosystem. Listen closely, and you might hear the nuthatch's distinctive call, a series of sharp, rapid notes. This bird is quite vocal, often heard before it's seen. Although small, the Eurasian nuthatch is a strong flyer, quickly darting between trees in search of food. Its compact body and strong wings allow it to maneuver effortlessly through dense forests. The Eurasian nuthatch is a true marvel of nature, embodying agility, adaptability, and resilience. Whether you're a bird enthusiast or a casual observer, spotting this little bird is always a delightful experience. Thank you for joining us on this bird-watching journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content. Until next time, happy birding!